Hi everyone, this is Ms. Joelle again. I was told that the reason some of you aren't putting your Zoom code into the Zoom tab on Canvas is because you are editing, you are keeping your classes separate, so your A's and your B's are not combined, and so you need the same code for both the A group and the B group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a workaround for how to use the same Zoom link for more than one class. So if you have two separate courses on Canvas, you'll be able to post this same Zoom link in both of them. So you need to start on zoom.us instead of on Canvas. So you're going to go into your Zoom. It'll look like this. You'll come over, you might need to sign in, you'll go to My Account. You'll click the tab where it says Meetings. And once you're on your meetings, I already have mine scheduled. You may not, or you might. If you already have those scheduled, you can use the one you already created. But you're going to click the schedule a meeting link if you don't have them scheduled. You're going to go through exactly what I showed before. So I'm not going to do it again, but you'll name it. You'll make it a recurring meeting. You can make it recur every other day. Extend the date as long as you can. On here, you can extend it later, so you can do it until January. Make sure to have your waiting room on. Make sure to have only authenticated users as well. Save it to create your course. I'm just going to go back because I don't want a new one to mess up my Zoom. Okay, once you've clicked save, all your courses will be listed here for all of the different days that they exist. All you need to do now is copy this meeting ID by highlighting it. I like keyboard tricks, so I'm on a Mac, I do Command C. If you're on a PC, you could do Control C or copy it the way you know how to copy things. So you've copied the meeting ID. Now you're going into your Zoom class. You're clicking on your Zoom tab, which will be empty like this one is. Instead of scheduling a meeting, you're clicking on the three dots. You're going to import a meeting. You can go ahead and paste. So I do Command V or Control V or paste, and then you will import that meeting. And now all of these office hours that I have scheduled on my zoom.us are now under the Zoom tab on Canvas for my students. So if I had a different Canvas course that was using the same link, I already copied the link, so I don't even have to do anything else other than go into my other course, go into the Zoom tab, import, and then paste. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.